Good morning, guys. Thanks for the fill on the New Mutants 87 9.6 CGC. Alright, guys, we're going to go ahead and we're going to go live here for it. I have everything set up. I'm out the door for Free Comic Book Day. Alright, here we are. We are live. We have a local time of 10:30. Actually, refresh that. That's one thing I don't like about this fucking service. 10:32. 10:32. And alright, 10:32. New Mutants 87 9.6 CGC. We have our list here completed. We're missing some payments, but I know these guys are good for it. So we have 52 items on the list. We'll roll the dice. 10. I'm going to go 10 times. That's round 1, round 2, round 3, round 4, round 5, round 6, 7, 8, 9, and your winner will be Mr. or, yeah, it's going to be on Mr.'s. Spot 47, Matt Buell. Spot 47, Matt Buell. Congratulations, you got a nice 9.6 CGC first cable. Here we show OHEHWO. That will be posted 10:33, 10:33, 10:33. Back to Facebook, and we are going to be done. Congratulations. Please send me a PM, and thanks a lot, guys.